With the successful landing of the lander module of ISRO's third lunar mission Chandrayaan-3, India has reached the moon. It has also become the first country to land near the moon's south pole. The lander module of the Indian Space Research Organization's ISRO third lunar mission Chandrayaan-3, launched on July 14, made a successfully landing on the moon's surface on August 23, making India only the fourth country after the erstwhile USSR, the US and China to make a soft landing on the lunar surface. Congratulating the team of scientists at ISRO, PM Modi said, "India's successful moon mission is not India's alone. Our approach of one Earth, one family, one future is resonating across the globe. Moon mission is based on the same human-centric approach. So, this success belongs to all of humanity." Precisely at 6:03 p.m. the lander touched the lunar surface and there was euphoric celebrations at the Mission Operations Complex at ISRO Telemetry, Tracking, and Command Network, Bangalore. Following this, the lander successfully deployed the rover which will carry out in situ chemical analysis of the lunar surface during the course of its mobility. The lander and the rover, with a mission life of 1 lunar day, 14 Earth days, have scientific payloads to carry out experiments on the lunar surface. 10 major benefits for India. Elite lunar landing achievement. Chandrayaan-3's successful soft landing on the moon establishes India as part of an exclusive club alongside the US, Russia, and China. This achievement showcases India's prowess in space exploration and engineering, boosting national and economic pride. The successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 ignites national pride and boosts economic growth. It showcases India's technological capabilities on a global stage, attracting attention and collaboration from around the world. Entry into the moon economy. Chandrayaan-3 propels India into the emerging moon economy. This sector, estimated to be worth billions of dollars, opens doors for new business opportunities, technological advancements, and valuable resource exploration on the lunar surface. Catalyst for private space sector. India's private space tech sector, already thriving, receives a substantial boost from Chandrayaan-3. The successful mission fosters investor confidence and encourages increased investment in space technology, driving further innovation and growth. Advancements in space technology. Chandrayaan-3 showcases India's prowess in advanced technologies, from altimeters to hazard detection systems. The mission's success contributes to the nation's reputation as a hub for cutting-edge space exploration. Unleashing scientific discoveries. The mission's in situ observations and experiments on lunar materials deepen our understanding of the moon's composition. These discoveries contribute not only to lunar science but also to broader planetary studies. Learning from failure. Chandrayaan-3 teaches us that failures are not setbacks but stepping stones to success. By capitalizing on lessons learned from Chandrayaan-2, the mission illustrates the importance of resilience, adaptability, and growth through setbacks. Forward-thinking leadership. Chandrayaan-3 exemplifies the significance of proactive leadership. ISRO's forward-thinking approach, focusing on a failure-based design, underscores the importance of anticipating challenges and overcoming them strategically. Embracing continuous improvement. Life isn't binary success or failure. Chandrayaan-3 reminds us that life is a continuum of choices and improvements. Embracing risks, learning from failures, and striving for constant progress are the hallmarks of a growth-oriented mindset. Inspiration for future leaders. The launch of Chandrayaan-3 is not just a scientific achievement, it's a source of inspiration for aspiring leaders and management students. It teaches us to leverage experience, embrace challenges, and pave the way for a brighter future.